Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are watching me from today. So in this video, join me as I'll be unboxing my iPhone wireless power bank, otherwise called Magsafe or battery pack. If you use an iPhone, I believe by now you should know this. This is an iPhone wireless power bank. iPhone battery is not that as strong, so because of that, Apple made this wireless power bank whereby you just click to your iPhone and it begins to charge your phone. So while unboxing it, I will also at the same time tell you how this is used on your iPhone. Okay, so join me guys while I unbox this very iPhone wireless power bank. So guys, now join me as I'll be unboxing this iPhone wireless power bank, otherwise called MagSafe or battery pack. You can see it, right? I bought it yesterday and I want to unbox it, and at the same time I will show you how this is used on your iPhone. It is an iPhone wireless power bank. It is wireless, cordless, and all that. So you can see it, right? I'll just come here and swipe here to open it. If I open it, this is how it looks here. It's a pack. It's just a very portable pocket power bank. I can take it on your pocket like your iPhone and go with it wherever you want to go to. You can see it, right? So this is my Magsafe power bank. It's very nice. If I come closer, you see it's actually a 5000 mAh and also 18 point something watt. Let me see the wattage. 18.5 watts, 5000 mAh. And I bought this very power bank here for 15,000 naira. So you can see it right now how this is used. You can see it, right? Here's where you can charge it. So you use it on your iPhone. Here's my iPhone here. You can see it, right? Now if I want to charge my iPhone, I just bring it here because it is a magnetic power bank. You can see it, right? This is the button. Bring it on my iPhone. It magnet and my phone will start charging. You can see it, right? I know a lot of people don't know about this. You can see my phone is charging. You can see it, right? So it's magnetic power bank. Look at magnet my iPhone strong. You can see even like this, it won't fall. You can see it, right? So you see magnet. If I remove it, my phone will stop charging. You can see it, right? So let's bring it here. You see it has magneted and my phone is charging. So since I just bought it, I haven't used it yet, so I will try and use it so that I can review how long this 5000 mAh can charge my iPhone or how many times. Understand? So this is just an unboxing video. It's very nice. I like it. I like it. Very portable to move around with it. And also the best thing is that I can still put my iPhone pouch here and I will still use it to charge. Like for instance now, if I bring my pouch, remove it here, I'll put my iPhone pouch here on it. You can see it, right? I can still charge with it even with my pouch. But just that this time around, it won't really magnet it and hold it very firmly. If I magnet it here and bring it, you can see it's still charging. But this time we have to support it so that it can hold the iPhone because it won't magnet it like very, very well. If I leave my hand, it will be falling. You see, just put it here. You can see here, once this light is green, it's on, means that it's charging. You can see it, right? So maybe my next video I'll make a review on how this iPhone wireless power bank or how many times you can charge my phone. You can see it, right? You will like it if you use the iPhone. And please, this is used for iPhone 11, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Not for iPhone 8, iPhone, all those other iPhones anyway. For this new iPhone model, you can see it, right? You can use it. So guys, thank you guys and bye.